I see the beak on this bird. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but she's got like feathers all up in her nares. Elizabeth, why do you have feathers in your nares? Now I'm gonna catch you up. I'm gonna pull them out. She'd probably clear them on her own, but Pip, you ain't about to be messing with Elizabeth, are you? These chicken ladies are like, what kind of snacks we got today, Liz? And Liz is like, leave my cabbage alone. What's up, Victoria? Hey, pretty girl. Elizabeth, you got a little something in your nose. You got a little, where you going? You got a little bit of something in your nose. We got to get you and get that out of the nose. She'd probably clear it on her own in the water. But then I wouldn't have an excuse to pick her up. She's like, don't touch me, human. Talk to the goose butt. She's like, I'm going over to the water. I'll take care of this myself, don't you worry. What's up, Sage? Hey, Rosemary, pretty girls. My beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies. See how this goes down. Rush hour at the watering hole. Look, there's 2 baths. There's 2 swimming pools. Sage is like, yeah, you see them? You see them? They in the good pool. You see that head bob? Like, Rosemary's like, yeah, they in the good pool. That's okay. We'll take this one. Get it, Rosemary. So we got that like plastic lid there. Make it easier for the little ducks to get in. Go on. There you go. So those pools are perfect for the ducks. But the geese kind of look a little silly in them. I mean, it's enough for them to take a bath in, but not really enough for them to get a good swim. You gonna get in that water, Liz? Oh, that's gross. That's gross. She has no shame. No shame. She's like, I gotta clear out this nose now. Hey, lady. Hey, turkey lady. My beautiful girl. How are you? How are you? Turkey lurk. Turkey lurky. How are you today? Huh? You look good. You look good. Yeah, she's not spicy today. Or at least not right this minute. Look at these clowns. So the white one is male and the speckled one is a female. And she's twice his size. It's kind of funny. She's huge. And it's not really because it's male and female. They're just they're different breeds of guinea fowl. Oh my goodness, them roosters are sounding off. We gotta let them out. How's it going, Cookie Monster? How you doing? How you doing, sir? You look good. He's thinking about it. You got anything to say? Come on, tilt your board a little bit. You got anything? Gonna let them other roosters show you up. He's thinking about it. He just got his nub cleaned because it was all gross. So he's a little put out about that. You got anything? Nothing. Nothing. You got nothing for me? Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Yes. All right, come on. Right here. There we go. Oh. How are them snacks? Get them snacks, Cookie Monster. There's the delicious snacks. Huh? You're so handsome. What's up, Cookie? What you doing, man? You ready to go out? We can put you in the big, you can go in a big cage today. Yes, sir. We're gonna put you right in here. I got them snacks for you, man. I got them snacks for you, Clucky.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I will eat them snacks. Don't you worry. I will take care of all them snacks. I will put them where they belong. Cookie's alright. He's a pretty nice boy. Yeah, I'm talking about you. He's got a lot of pin feathers on his neck. Still growing in them new feathers. But hurry up, man. It's getting cold fast. Big wings. Mr. Pip, is that your lady? Is that your lady, sir? He's like, I needed a lady. I really needed a lady. Cupcake, is this your man? She's like, he kind of tiny. Mr. Pip. Mr. Pip. How you doing, sir? I hear you, Cupcake. Pretty lady. Beautiful girl. These two are pretty cute. Come here. Hey, what are you gonna do? What if I want to get you, huh? What if I want to get you, huh? He's like, don't touch me. Keep your hands off me, human. They do a pretty good job keeping each other company. Don't ya? Don't ya? Mr. Pip. I'm so tiny. So tiny. Every day, look, I turn my back for 1 minute and Scarlet is in my straw. You know I'm talking about you. Stay out of my straw, you bad chicken. Making a mess out of things. Don't act all innocent like you don't know. You know. Bad. Bad chicken bird. Turkey Lark, you being spoiled. Milkshake, you got all the ladies hanging out right now. She's like, yeah, because Mom just put sunflower seeds there. Milkshake brings all the ladies to the yard. So today is Mr. Picasso's day outside. Yes, this is his day in the yard. What do you think, Picasso? Huh? You gonna be cool about this when I set you down, or are you gonna try to end me, huh? He's pretty spicy today. He's pretty spicy today. I can just kind of feel the vibe coming off of him. I just kind of pick it up. He's got the spicy vibe. What do you think? Are we gonna be good? Hopefully he'll be pretty calm. Yeah. Go on. Go on. Look. You could choose violence or you could go get a lady. Look, this guinea fowl's gonna come over here and mess with you. Don't choose violence. He might be staying close to me because see these guinea fowl right here are harassing him right now. See, now he's moving further away. He was actually staying near me for protection. That's adorable. Mr. Picasso, you don't need protection. You pretty gnarly on your own, bro. I bet you could take those three out. They were getting ready to gang up on you though. They were looking. They up to no good, no good. Dirty, rotten guinea birds. Look at them like a gang or a mob. They're a mob. That's what that is. A mob. He went that way. That was a smart idea, Picasso. Just going to the other end of the yard. What's up, Barbie girl? How you doing, pretty lady? That's a floofy chicken. That's a super floof. A super floof. How you doing, girl? Barbie girl. She's like, I'm going over to the secret tunnel. Oh my goodness, Cookie Man. So much noise, Cookie Monster. Did you eat the snacks? He's like, yeah, I ate a little bit. I ate a little bit. You look good, Cookie. You have some beautiful feathers. He does have beautiful feathers. He's a good looking bird. He's pretty healthy. All things he considered, everything he went through. I see you, Cookie Man. All right, guys, I guess it's a short one today. I gotta go get to work. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Look, I'm trying to leave, and right at the gate, this is where they're dust bathing. Guys, I'm trying to leave. They're like, this is a good spot to dust bathe, though. We'll put lots of holes here for you to break an ankle in. Right where I walk in. All of this yard, and this is where y'all do that. I kind of feel like this is personal. They are beautiful birds. Foghorn's right here, man. He's chowing down big time. He working on that food. He gonna put every last piece of that away and then wonder where his food is. This bird is a never-ending pit.